So hello my lovely students, welcome back in another amazing video. Bandiza mu video ya eonaku olwaleero. Yes, today we're going to look at some new words. New words. Ebigambo ebipya. We said new means ebipya. Can you repeat that? New ebipya. Yes, and if you're new to this channel here, we learn English and Luganda with ease, of course, with teacher Benny. Okay, number one, we have a word brave. 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 In Luganda, we say omuvumu. Omuvumu. Someone who is courageous, is able to take on any task that is given to him or her. So that person is brave. Omuntu oyo muvumu. Are we together? So brave is omuvumu. Okay? Good. We have laziness. Can you repeat after me? Laziness. Laziness. So from laziness, it comes from the word lazy. Lazy. So laziness is good from being lazy. So that is laziness. Obo bugayavu. Okay? So laziness means obugayavu. So if you ever come to Uganda and they tell you oli mugayavu, it implies that you are lazy. You have laziness in you. Are we together? So laziness means obugayavu. Are we clear? Good. Laziness, obugayavu. Excellent. Number three, we have quick. This one is very common. Quick. Quick. It is Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Please be quick in whatever thing you are doing. So quick. Quick tugamba obwangu. Kozesa obwangu mwekyo chokola. Please be quick in whichever activity you are doing. Kozesa obwangu. Are we clear? So quick is obwangu in Luganda. Are we together? Excellent. Number four, we have, this was number four. Number four, we have quiet. Quiet. What does quiet mean? Quiet is being silent. Okay? Someone can tell you, please can you be quiet? Bando osobola okusirikako. So okusirika is being quiet. So sirika. Someone can tell you sirika or okusirika. Okusirika is to be quiet. Are we together? So quiet is okusirika. You are shouting and someone tells you, bando sirikako. Be quiet. Okay? So those were the 4 words for you to know. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye. Wherever.